These are some of the items that you'll need: aluminum foil, cable zip ties, a ring from Dollar Tree, you can find it in the floral section, a circle cutout, and your LED lights. Now, using a circle cutout, you can either use cardboard, you can use foam board. If you're using foam board, please get a box cutter because it's very time consuming using with the scissors, because that's what I did and it took a minute. But yeah, using a box cutter is way better. So let's get started. Now, the first step that I'm going to be doing is just wrapping the aluminum foil around the cardboard piece. So I'm just going to speed this up for a little bit. It's not really time consuming. It's really quick and easy. Now I'm just going to wrap the cable ties around the ring with the light so I can secure every piece of it. And you want to make sure that you use a few of these, not really so much a few, but make sure you use a lot of them because you want to make sure that it's really secure. So I'm going to speed this up and I'm going to show you when it's done. Secure everything together with the zip cables. You're just gonna put it through one of the holes at the bottom and connect the cardboard and the ring light together. And you're just gonna keep going around and around until you feel that it's best secure.